As soon as both went to him, he ate them. The moral of the story is that